All right, mathletes. So what are alternate interior angles? Because we see them all the time throughout math classes, right? So let's make it clear and simple. So what you need is, first you need two parallel lines. It doesn't matter which direction they're headed, as long as the two lines are parallel, just like you see here, lines L and M. All right. So remember, those two lines are parallel, meaning they're never going to cross. All right. And what you have is you have this transversal line here. So this is just a line, T in this case, that's going to cut through those parallel lines, right? So some special things are formed when that happens, all right? So if you notice, you could kind of get the sense that angles 3 and 6 here, let me highlight them for you, for my East Coast fans. So 3 and 6, we could see they look like to be the same angle, and they are, all right, because those right there are alternate, and we say alternate because they're on the opposite side of the line, interior because they're on the inside, right, of that side, angles. So again, their angles are on the opposite side, right? That's the way I like to think about it. They're on the opposite side of each other. And when you look at them too, you could get a sense that, oh, these angles right here are the same size, right? And they are, because they're alternate interior angles. So they're always going to be on the opposite side, on the inside there. All right. And when I say inside, interior, notice you have these two parallel lines. They're on the inside of those parallel lines. Angles 1 and 8, those are on the exterior, or the outside, right? So just to make sure you're aware of that. All right. And then some of you are like, hey, how about 4 and 5, right? So you're right. So 4 and 5, let me highlight those. Those are also pairs of alternate interior angles, right? So 4 and 5 are equal. So how does that help us out? Well, a lot of you guys are going to get questions later on where they might say angle 3 is, say, 2x plus 5, and angle 6 is, let's just pretend it's 60 degrees. Then what you would do is, because you know they're the same, you would just set the 2x plus 5 equal to 60. And then you would go about and you would solve that right there for x. And then you could solve for x, and usually you wouldn't plug it back in because you already know that this is 60 degrees, just like this one. So then put my little degree sign here. All right. So again, knowing this is usually going to help you set up your equation. All right. So that's what we have for you today. Very short math video, because people have been DMing me, hey, can you make a video on alternate interior angles? Dr. Math is listening, and there you are, folks. All right. So hopefully you're ready for the holidays, and do us a favor in Dr. Math Studios, smash that like button, subscribe, and tell people what we're doing, because again, we're trying to help out as many mathletes as possible, especially during these times. All right, mathletes, hope you're having a great day. We'll catch you later. Peace.